Indian Air Force is an extremely professional organization wherein a formation leader is chosen on the basis of his category, experience and currency on the past missions. These parameters always take precedence over the rank. A dazzling example of such professionalism is the next formation, Tejas, which is led by a group captain, and Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, Chief of the Air Staff, is flying as his number 2. Here comes the Tejas formation. Flying in from left to right along the runway, adding efforts to Atmanirbharta are the indigenously developed light utility helicopters of HAL. The LUH is a new generation helicopter capable of flying at a speed of 220 kilometers. It has a range of 350 kilometers even while carrying 500 kilograms of payload. Coming in from your left again, you can now glue your eyes to the white angels in the sky. Debuting at Aero India today is the Rakshak formation of the Indian Coast Guards.
Approaching diagonally from the left, 10 o'clock, is Drona formation, led by 1AN-32, flanked by Dornier 228 aircraft. These aircraft, modernized with indigenous avionics systems, signify the spectrum of transport aircraft in the Indian Air Force. This formation is led by a woman pilot who is also a qualified flying instructor.
On your right, as the Yodha formation approaches the gaze with light combat aircraft Mark 1 Alpha. As the Yodha formation approaches the gaze, one LCA Mark 1 Alpha will peel off from the formation and carry out a hard right turn, displaying its beautiful Delta platform. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the LCA Mark 1 Alpha is a 4.5 generation light combat aircraft that marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in defense aviation.
the red and white antenna tower on your extreme right as the Varuna formation approaches us, named after the protectors of the seas. Here comes the Varuna formation of Indian Navy.
The Sarthi formation with one C-130J flanked by the C-295 transport aircraft is approaching the dais diagonally from your right. The indigenous production facilities for the C-295 within the country is a testimony towards the self-reliance drive.
Approaching diagonally from your left, 10 o'clock, are 5 Jaguar deep penetration strike aircraft in Aero formation with call sign Arjun. The Jaguar aircraft, licensed and manufactured in India, is equipped with latest indigenously developed smart weapons and avionics systems. Can you spot the Arjun formation? 10 o'clock.
With an indigenously developed airborne early warning and control system known as Netra, our eyes in the sky. The aircraft is being flanked by Su-30 MKI aircraft as the protectors.
The Shakti formation with one Rafale flanked by the Sukhoi 30 MPIs would approach the dais from your 12 o'clock. An all-women fighter pilots formation on controls, this formation, named after the primordial cosmic feminine, serves as an inspiration, breaking many gender barriers. It emphasizes women empowerment and equality, truly demonstrating the strength, skill and determination of Bharatiya Nari Shakti. Here comes the Shakti formation.
Coming in next with an element of surprise is Trishul formation, comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI. बेंगलुरु के आराध्य नंदेश्वर महादेव को अपना प्रणाम अर्पित करने आ रही है त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन। मैं काल हूँ, कपाल हूँ, विनाश मैं विकराल हूँ, शत्रु हृदय को चीरता मैं भयावह शूल हूँ, विध्वंस की चेतावनी मैं प्रलय त्रिशूल हूँ, विध्वंस की चेतावनी मैं प्रलय त्रिशूल हूँ। त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन हमारे शत्रुओं के लिए चेतावनी है कि विश्व कल्याण के ध्यान में बैठे भारत की संप्रभुता पर यदि कोई प्रहार करेगा तो हमारा विध्वंसकारी त्रिशूल उसका समूल विनाश कर देगा। So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for a surprise? The Trishul formation is about to reach the arena to carve a trident in the sky. That was a really majestic sky.
gentlemen, what a thrilling beginning to today's proceedings. Can we have a huge round of applause? And can we hear it for the glory in the sky right here at the inaugural ceremony of Aero India 2025?